of the situation as it was at the time under the previous Tory government.
Can I just ask the Prime Minister to thank his right honourable friend, the Secretary of State, for
the Prime Minister.
Britain's biggest espionage scandal in years has erupted in Westminster. MI5 says it was blindsided as a high-profile spy trial against two men accused of passing sensitive information to China collapsed just weeks before it was due to start. The dramatic turn has thrown the government into turmoil, sparking a fierce debate over national security, political priorities, and diplomatic caution. Christopher Cash, 30, a former parliamentary researcher, and Christopher Berry, 33, a teacher, were charged under the 1911 Official Secrets Act for allegedly passing intelligence to Beijing between late 2021 and early 2023. Both men deny the allegations. Prosecutors say the case fell apart because the government failed to label China as a threat at the time of the alleged offences. Stephen Parkinson, Director of Public Prosecutions, said,
"No one from the government was willing to testify that at the time of the offense, China represented a threat to national security."
Reports suggest a Whitehall meeting chaired by Prime Minister Keir Starmer's National Security Advisor, Jonathan Powell, played a pivotal role. MI5 and the Home Office had pushed for prosecution, but the meeting reportedly prioritized diplomatic considerations over intelligence evidence. Conservative MPs have been quick to criticize the Labour government. Shadow Home Secretary Chris Philp said,
"You simply cannot have a serious national security case collapsing without some proper explanation being given to the public."
Prime Minister Keir Starmer defended the decision, stressing legal constraints. Speaking on a trip to India, he said,
Trial would have had to take place on the basis of the situation as it was at the time under the previous Tory government. Now that's not a political to and fro, that's a matter of law. You have to prosecute people on the basis of the circumstances at the time of the alleged offence.
MI5 Chief Ken McCallum has repeatedly warned of a sustained campaign of Chinese espionage in the UK. Parliament's Intelligence and Security Committee also labelled Beijing a strategic threat in 2023, though Labour prefers the term strategic challenge. The China spy case has left MI5 frustrated, Parliament demanding accountability, and the public questioning whether diplomacy has been placed above national security.